Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's the Audi A1 Sportback 2019 model. How to reset the TPMS tyre monitoring system. If you've got the TPMS warning light up on your dashboard, it could be that one of your tyres is under or over inflated. If you've got this symbol up on your dashboard, it means that one of your tyres needs pumping up to the correct pressure, and we will do that in a moment. But if you've also got this warning message up on your dashboard, it means you've got a problem with your TPMS system. So this is most likely due to one of the sensors failing. You need to get that checked out at your local dealership. Right, the first thing you need to do is check all four tyres. Make sure there's no obvious signs of an underinflated tyre. It might be that you've got a slow puncture and it's really obvious if one of your tyres is underinflated. Then what we need to do is just make sure that every single tyre on the Audi A1 is pumped up to the correct pressure. Now it's important to pump up the tyres and check the tyre pressures when the tyres are cold, not after you've been for a long drive and the tyres have warmed up, and it will change the tyre pressures. So always do it when the tyres are cold. Now there's a link above now about what the tyre pressures should be. Obviously it varies depending on what type of tyre you've got on your car. So I'm going to go old school and use a foot pump and just make sure that all four tyres are pumped up to the correct pressure. On these foot pumps, the tyre pressure gauge is notorious for being not very accurate, so I'm going to use a manual tyre pressure gauge here. If you've got a digital one, that'll work just as well. This is showing 36 psi, which is absolutely perfect. Now I'm just going to go around the other three tyres and check the tyre pressures on those. Make sure that they're all at the correct pressure. And there's a link above now about the battery location and how to check the battery on this Audi A1. Once you've pumped up all four tyres, then get into the car and put the ignition on. You don't need to start the engine, just make sure the ignition is on. Then go to the centre console and select the car icon. Then select settings and service, and just there you've got tyre pressure loss indicator. Click on that. And it's asking if you've checked and corrected the pressure on all four tyres, which we have. And basically what you're doing is you're storing the tyre pressures in the computer at whatever you've set them to. Select yes, store now. And now it's saying that they've been stored. And next time you go for a drive, that TPMS light should go out. And now it's time for a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. If there's any other useful videos around here, then please select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel everyone, I really appreciate it.